Hi everyone, Mark here, and we are back. On this video we will be looking at a mouse here. So for quite a while I've been needing to replace my wireless mouse right here. You can see it's quite dirty, it's already off white, and I've purchased it from a shop called Momuso, and sometimes it's starting to get glitchy and sometimes it's not responding very well. So I decided to get a different mouse. I have a Lenovo ThinkPad right here, and I got myself a Lenovo branded mouse as well, and that's from Lenovo Brand Mall in Lazada. And let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see. Let me get my cutter here. Alright. Okay. That is well packaged. Let's open that. Cut that right there. Okay, I don't want to be really rough with this. Alright. So let me take these away. So there you go, guys. It's the USB mouse M25. And let's go ahead open this as well. Okay, so there's a tape there, or seal. Let's cut that out. Okay, there you go. Alright. Okay. Okay, I already forced that. So yeah, this looks good, and yeah, I think they lived up to what they said on the advertisement. I don't hear any clicking, nothing there, guys, compared to this one. Okay, this is quite nice, very quiet. Okay, so let's turn this on. Alright, I think, yeah, there's already battery in there. Let's see if it gets detected. Let's remove this. I think the battery is still sealed as well. Okay, let's cut this. Yeah, the battery is sealed. Okay, we're not seeing any light, so let's try a different battery. Let me open up one that I already have with me. Okay. I like the silence of the mouse. The clicking is not loud. Okay, let's try browsing. Okay, we're on youtube.com, and let's try scrolling. Yep, scrolls are working. Still loading there. Right click is working as well. Alright. There you go. Scroll is working. Right click is working. Left click is working as well. I think this is a good mouse. For those who do not have Bluetooth on their computers, it's looks basic, and it's really just for work, not really that much of a gamer as well. And yeah, pretty much that's it, guys, and thank you for tuning in. I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.